So today we'll discuss about senior citizen deposit scheme. So what is senior citizen deposit scheme? So it was launched in 2004 by central government for senior citizens for better return. So all public sector banks and private banks are authorized to open account under this scheme. So after individual attaining age of 60 years, one can open this account. It is for everyone except NRIs and Hindu United Families, and individuals who have attained 55 years or more of age but less than 60 years, but who have retired on superannuation or otherwise at the date of opening of an account are considered. Now the condition is it should be done within 1 month of receipt of retirement benefit. The age limit for retired defense personnel retired on superannuation are eligible to open the account at 50 years. So for retired defense personnel it is 50 years. The account can be opened in individual capacity or joint with spouse as the senior citizen of the senior citizen. So in case of joint account, the age of first account holder will be considered, and the eligibility to open account will. So for the second account holder, there will be no age limit for opening. Monetary limits. So one can open account within multiples of 1,000, and the maximum amount can be 15 lakhs, including all the investment made by customer in various accounts. So if they have multiple accounts, then the total value should be not more than 15 lakhs. There shall be only one deposit in the account. Both the spouse can open single account and joint account with each other with the maximum deposit up to 15 lakh. The whole amount of deposit in joint account should be attributable to first account holder only. Duration is of 5 years, and it can be extended to for the period of 3 years by depositor. Now what is rate of interest? So it is declared by central government from time to time, and it is payable on 31st March. It means last, so it is payable on end of quarter. And the first instant and thereby interest shall be payable in the first working day of the. So you can see that it is given that when it is payable, so it is paid quarterly. The interest rate in this scheme is 7.4% currently. So now you can see from 1st of January 2021 to 31st March, government has said that the offered rate will be 7.4%. But earlier in, I think last year or maybe in 2019, it was 8.6%, 8.7%. So recently it has decreased. Now the loan facility is not available in this scheme. Nomination. The depositor may nominate a person or more than one person at time of opening the account or any time before closure of account. Nomination can be cancelled by submitting fresh nomination or changed by submitting fresh nomination. In case of joint holder, nominee claim will arise only after death of both the accounts. So in case of joint, if both account holders die, then only nominee can claim the amount. Transfer of account. Account can be transferred from one bank to another bank or branches or also post office. So tax benefits. So we can claim rebate under 80C of income tax rate. Passbook is issued on every deposit. So for every depositor, passbook will be issued. Closure of account. Now the account will be closed after 5 years unless extended by depositor. So premature closure of account is permitted. The account holder may withdraw the deposit and close the account at any time on application. So the reasons of premature are given below. In case the account is closed before 1 year after the deposit, after the opening of account, interest paid on deposit is. So if it is closed within 1 year, the deposit in the account shall be recovered from a deposit and the balance to be paid. The interest paid will be recovered and the remaining just the deposit will be paid with if it is closed within 1 year. If it is closed after 1 year and before 2 years, so if it is closed in this 1 to 2 year period, the amount equal to 1.5% of deposit will be deducted. If it is closed after 2 years, the amount of 1% will be deducted. If depositor is availing the facility of extension of account, then the account can be closed after 1 year from the date of extension. So after 5 years, if you take extension, then after 1 year it will be closed without any deduction. In case of the death of the depositor, both before maturity, the account will be closed and deposit will be refundable to the nominee. So if death happens, the nominee will get all the money or legal heir. So that was all. Thank you very much. Keep learning. Share.